If you're a millennial, there are some things you're wearing that totally give away your age. So this fall, I'm going to share with you the things you need to get rid of in your closet and what styles you should replace so you don't look outdated. While there's nothing wrong with looking your age, nobody wants to look older than they are. So let's talk about the fashion trends you need to know about. If you're still wearing these cold shoulder sweaters in 2024, it is time to let them go. They are showing your age. This is the type of sweater that we love as millennials. We always had like cold shoulder tops, cold shoulder sweaters. They're not in style anymore. However, what is a huge fashion trend this fall are sweater vests. So I highly recommend throwing out those cold shoulder sweaters and replacing it with a sweater vest. So you can wear it with a Oxford shirt underneath if you want like a preppy look, or you can wear a basic t-shirt underneath or wear it by itself. You can do a very classic cardigan in a gray, black, or white and keep it very neutral, or you can do a pop of color and do a colorful cardigan if you're someone like me who likes to wear colored in the fall. It doesn't really matter what color or how you style the sweater vest. There are just so many ways you can do it, and they're all trending for fall right now. Shearling vests are also making a huge comeback this fall. I recently wore this to the Texas-Michigan football game in Ann Arbor. It was actually super cold. I had to grab a vest at a local boutique because it was colder than I anticipated, and I found this shearling one, and it is so cute and so on trend, but I will leave a very similar one in my description box. Chevron print is the classic millennial print. We were raised on chevron. From chevron tops to chevron sweaters, get rid of them this fall. They're not in style. You do not want to be wearing chevron print or everyone's gonna know this girl's a millennial. So instead, try stripes. You can really get any striped sweater or top that you like. A classic black and white striped shirt or sweater will never work. But I recently found this top, which I love. It is from Avara. It is so cute. I love the puffy details, which is really on trend. As you can see, my dress has them right now too. It's like a very on trend thing to have little puffy sleeves, but it also has the stripes in it, and I like that this is a neutral tone. This is one of my favorite tops right now. It is so cute, and if you shop at Avara, I do have a discount code with them. It is Christinabtv, and you get 15% off your entire order. Oh my gosh, who remembers the infinity scarves? We had such a chokehold with those infinity scarves. We would like double up with them. We were so into them in college. I don't think I'll ever forget that. You need to get rid of them. Nobody's wearing those big infinity scarves. And I know what you're thinking. You're like,
but Christina, I live in Wisconsin. I need a scarf.
Because I always get comments. I live somewhere very, very cold, and I know that sometimes I'm not always showing the warmest things because I'm in the South, but let me tell you, you can still wear a scarf that's fashionable and keeps you warm. It's really about how you style it and the material of it. So you can still wear like a big wool scarf, but instead of looping it around a million times, like with a big infinity and having it hang, you can wear like a short one if you need it to cover your neck, or wear it long around your shoulders. If you don't live somewhere very cold and you just want a scarf, try like a light cashmere scarf. Just get rid of the infinity scarf. That is a scarf that is no longer in fashion. You can still wear scarves, just not that one. You may be showing your age if you're still wearing ripped jeans this fall. Overly distressed jeans are just not in style right now. Get rid of them, or don't get rid of them, just hold on to them. They'll come back in style. But right now, what is in style are just neutral colored denim without major rips. A little bit of rips here and there is okay, but the big distressed denim, that is so millennial. That is something we love. That's from our Abercrombie and Fitch days in 2005. Okay, but it's time to move on. So get a neutral pair. I found this pair on Amazon. I have it in 2 colors now, but this is the black version and I love it. It's super affordable and it gives you the straight leg, which is also in fashion, because don't you dare wear those skinny jeans, girlfriend. You know those are out of fashion. I'm not even going to cover them in this video because I know that you shouldn't be wearing skinnies. We love our long cardigans in the fall as millennials, but It's not in fashion right now, okay? I know it's a cardigan, you think it's classic, but you can still wear it, just update it, make it a little fresh. That's what fashion is. We're always trying to freshen things up and make it look more exciting and fun and modern. So get rid of the long cardigan and instead get the cropped cardigan. The cropped cardigan is super on trend for fall 2024. You can easily style this with any type of bottom. It looks amazing with jeans, cargo pants, skirts. And if you're worried about it being too short, you can always size up for a little bit extra length, and you can wear a tank top underneath. Like, wear your tank top, put your pants on where your tank top is tucked in, and then put the cardigan in if you don't want any skin showing. The wrap sweater dress is so millennial, and it's just nobody's wearing these dresses anymore except for us, okay? So move them to the back of your closet, take them to the donation center. I know you're thinking that this is a classic style that's always in fashion. Well, that's wrong. It's not in fashion right now. But what is in fashion are sweater dresses with texture to them. So a good one is this one that I just got. I love it. It has texture on the bottom and a sweater on top, and that is really on trend right now. You're gonna see dresses right now where it looks like there's a sweater on top and it's two pieces, but it's actually just one piece. And these are very on trend right now. They're very modern, and I think that they also are going with like the preppy aesthetic that kind of fall 2024 is going for. So if you don't have one, try this one out. Of course, it's in my description, and I have a coupon code for this one. If you're still wearing the waterfall jackets, they gotta go. They're not cute anymore. They are very millennial. We were in love with them a few years ago. Not even a few years, like a decade ago. Okay, so they've got to go. And instead, you need to get a Moto Jacket. Moto Jackets are so on trend right now, and they go with everything. They kind of have like a biker, urban vibe to them, but I really like pairing them with dresses because it makes like something very girly, a little more edgy, and you can wear it over your shoulders if you want like the cool girl energy, or obviously wear it like a normal jacket if you're cold. If you're still wearing the skater dresses this fall, you got to get rid of them. I know you love them. You were wearing them in spring and you transitioned them into fall with boots, but they're not in style anymore. This was a huge trend like 10 years ago, and if you're a millennial, you probably have one of these in your closet somewhere. Don't pull it out. Keep it in your closet. Even better, send it to the donation center. What is in style are long sleeve mini dresses, like baby doll dresses. They're flirty, they're cute. They look amazing with boots. I love them. I also love when they have a little bit of metallic threading to them, which makes them a little sparkly. They're just so cute for fall. They also look really good with the Moto Jacket if you wanna like make it a little more casual. So try these dresses out and get rid of those skater dresses. Do you still wear bell sleeve sweaters? Because I so remember these from a few years ago, but they're not the vibe anymore. So get rid of those. But what is in style this year are abstract sweaters. So sweaters with patterns on them. They could be florals, which I know we saw a lot of in spring, but going into fall, you might see more just like designs. So I found this one, I really like it. It's colorful. I definitely love a little bit of color personally in fall and winter. It makes me happy. When you have those cloudy gray days, it's just nice to have a little bit of color. This one is super comfortable and it's so on trend with the design. You might be thinking it's legging season, like yes, sweater weather and leggings. I'm sorry to tell you. I know, but the tunics and the sweaters with the leggings are not the vibe. You gotta wear pants. I know. Gen Z says we have to wear pants. We're all wearing pants. It's the year of pants. I don't make the rules. I just report on them, okay? So pants are in, leggings are out. So just wear jeans. You can wear cargo pants. You can wear skirts. You can wear everything except the leggings that millennials love. I know we love our leggings, but if you're wearing an outfit like this, where it's like a long tunic and boots and leggings, you look so outdated, okay? You can maybe get away with the leggings going to the gym and wearing a sweatshirt and some sneakers and running an errand or two, but just in everyday life, try to put some pants on, okay? throw on your favorite sweater and put some cute jeans on. You can also do cargo pants. I love to share with millennials the Lululemon cargo pants because they're so comfortable and they're fashionable, but they are also comfortable. And I know we're in our 30s. We want comfort. So try the Lululemon cargos if you still want the sporty vibe and comfort, but also be on trend. But moral of the story is just wear pants, okay? That's it. If you are over the age of 30, there's some other fashion mistakes you're probably making. You need to go watch this video where I share with you exactly what you're doing wrong and how to fix it. Bye, guys.